जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. Ladies and gentlemen, जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे is an Urdu and Hindi idiom. In this video tutorial, we will learn its meaning and use it in a sentence. In the end, there will be an exercise, so please listen to this tutorial carefully. Literal meaning of जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे is you will fill as you do. And the English alternative of this idiom is as you sow, so shall you reap. Now what does this idiom means? It means अच्छा करोगे तो अच्छा मिलेगा और बुरा करोगे तो बुरा मिलेगा. Which is अच्छा करोगे तो दूसरे लोग भी तुम्हारे साथ अच्छाई करेंगे और बुरा करोगे तो दूसरे लोग भी तुम्हारे साथ बुराई करेंगे. If you do good deeds, then other will also do good. And if you do bad deeds, then other will also bad with you. Now let's use this idiom in our sentence. So we are advising someone, हमेशा दूसरों की मदद करो क्योंकि जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे. Which means always help others because as you sow, so shall you reap. Which is always help others because if you do good deeds, then others will also do good to you. And if you do bad deeds, then others will also do bad with you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. Now it's a time for an exercise. As an exercise, please make a sentence in Urdu or Hindi using जैसा करोगे वैसा भरोगे and paste it in the comment section. I will check it out and tell you if it's right or wrong. If you like this video tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.